This is our Lotus design. For a more vigorous display, and for a nice gentle flow. This is currently available at thirstycatfountains.com. Food safe, handmade, one of a kind. Thirsty Cat Fountains.